Coffee. Today we have a nice lucca alla speziale mini Vivaldi, or lucca alla speziale per se. So I came here to the shop dead because the steam boiler was burnt, and there was a lot of burnt cables here. We switched all the cables, we replaced it with a brand new inside, brand new steam boiler, and it's working perfectly. Here's the pressure. And let's pull a shot. Beautiful. It's on 9 bars. I was checked, and coffee's ready to go home. Make some beautiful coffee. Please don't forget to subscribe and come see our beautiful selection of brand new machines at the shop here in Berkeley. Have a great day. Thank you.